Good morning students, welcome to the online session of Academic World School Vii-Mitra. Today I am here to teach you the new chapter of mathematics, that is simple equations. Students, we have read about equations in grade 6, isn't it? What are equations? Now, today also I will start with the concept what we have read in grade 6. Now, what are equations? What are equations? Now, equation consists of two things. There should be at least one variable. Equation consists of two things. First, it should have at least one variable, and second, an equal to sign. And second, an equal to sign. Students, you need to note down all in your notebook. So, equations, it consists of two. Equations consist of two first, at least it should have one variable. At least it should have one variable. Second, and equal to sign. Now what I told you, an equation consists of at least one variable. Second, it should have an equal to sign. Now the term variable, here we got a new term, that is variable. What do you mean by variable? Variable means any English alphabet. Variable means it should have, it is an English alphabet, or it is an alphabet. Now, alphabet like A, anything it can be. Examples: A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, like this. Anything it can be, okay? So, what I told you just now, and it consists of at least one variable, second, and equal to sign. Now, what do you mean by variable? Variable is an alphabet. Example: A, B, C, D, E, F. Any letter, any alphabet we can use. Now, why we use this variable? Variable, it does not have any value. Variable does not have any value. The time when we don't know the value, we take the help of variable. Variable means varies. Variable, the name itself says it varies. It varies. It does not have any fixed value. A is not having any fixed value, isn't it? So that is why it is called variable. Variable means it varies. Now, as I told you, equation consists of at least one variable. It should have at least one variable and an equal to sign. Consider some examples. X plus 4 equals to 9. Is it an equation? Yes, it is an equation. Why? Here we have at least one variable, that is x, and a one equal to sign. There should be one equal to sign and at least one variable. When it is equated, it forms an equation. It forms an equation. Now, if you ask me, x plus 9 greater than 6 is an equation? No, it is not an equation. Why it is not an equation? It is having a variable x, but it is not having a equal to sign. So it is not an equation. This is an equation No. Again it is not an equation. Neither it is having any variable nor it is having any equal to sign. So it is not an equation. It is not an equation. So what we conclude just now, to form an equation we should have two things. First, a variable, and second, a equal to sign. So students, now we will learn to form equations as well as to form statements. To form equations as well as to form statements. Okay? Now, first we will form equations with statement. Equation with statements. Okay? Suppose here I write a statement. The sum of P and the sum of P and 6. The sum of P and 6 is 18. The sum of P and 6 is 18. Now how to form the statement equation with this statement? Okay. Sum means plus. Addition. Sum means addition. So here this indicates plus sign. Of this two, we have to form the sum of P and 6. Now here we have is. Is means equal to over here. Is means equal to. So if I form the equation, how it will be formed? P plus 6 equals to 18. P plus 6 equals to 18. The sum of P and 6. The sum of P and 6 is 18 equals to 18. This is the way we will form an equation with any given statement. Considering one more example. 7 times m plus 8 gets you 88. 7 times m. 7 times m plus 8 gets you 88. This is the question. Okay. Now we will decode it. How? Times means multiplication. 7 here means 7. Times means multiplication. M means m. Plus means obviously plus. 8 gets you. Gets you means equal to 88. Equal to 88. So how we did it? Now 7 into m. 7 into m. Okay. So it will be 7m plus 8 equals to 88. Now how I did it? See, the question was 7 times m plus 8 gets you 88. 7 times. Times means multiply. 3 times. 3. Suppose 3x. 4 times 4y. So here 7 times m will be 7m. Plus means plus 8. 8 gets you, gives you equal to, that is 88. So 7 times m. 7 times m means 7m. Plus 8 means plus 8 gets you equal to 88. You can check your answer. Isn't it? Now consider one more example. A number y divided by 11 gives 7. divided by 11 means y by 11. Isn't it? Y by 11 gives equal to 7. Equal to 7. Now check your answer. How can we check it? A number y divided by 11. Y divided by 11 is y by 11. Y by 11. Gives means equal to 7. So y by 11 equals to 7. Now 7 times p equals to gives you 90. 7 times p gives you 90. Now, as I told you, times means multiply. Times means multiply. Isn't it? Gives you means equal to. Gives you means equal to. Now, 7 times p. How we did it? 7 into p. 7 times p will be 7p. Gives you will be equal to 90. So what is the answer we got? 7p equals to 90. Check your answer. How can you check it? Cross check the statement and the equation. What do you have for? 7 times p. 7 times p means 7 into p is 7p. Clear. Gives you equals to 7 into p equals to 90. Equals to 90. So 7p equals to 90. Now few things. What we learn now here is sum means plus. Here is also equal to. Times means multiplied. Gets you equal to. Y divided by 11 means y by 11. These are the few things. When you see in the statement, you need to understand where we have to add, where we have to multiply, where we have to subtract. Example 5. The product of p and 7 subtracted from 8 gives you 10. Gives you 10. What is the question? The product of p and 7. Product means multiplication. Product here means multiplication. Subtracted from 8 gives you 10. Gives you 10. So we will break the question. Product of 7 and p means first we will multiply. Now 7 into p is 7p. 7 into p is 7p. Now 7p is subtracted from 8 means 8 minus 7p. 8 minus 7p, isn't it? We can't write 7p minus 8. Both are not same. 7p is subtracted from 8. So 8 minus 7p gives you means equal to. Gives you here means equal to. Gives you means equal to. So the product of p into 7, that is 7p, subtracted from 8 gives you 10. So product, we have formed the product. So it is subtracted from 7p. 8 minus 7p gives you 10. Now you can again cross check your statement with the equation you have formed. The product of 7p and 7 is 7p. Subtracted from 8 means 8 minus 7p gives you 10. So this is what, whenever a statement is given to us and we have to form an equation, we need to break it. We need to break the question, then form the equation. Now students, we will learn to form the statements with the given equation. So all of you now write the heading forming statements. Suppose our equation is given. P plus 4 equals to 15. P plus 4 equals to 15. And I have to write the statement for the given equation. How will I write? Here it is sum. So I will write the sum of P and Q. The sum of P and Q, isn't it? The sum of P and Q results 15. The sum of P and Q. So the sum of P and 4 gives 15. The sum of P and 4 gives you 15. Cross check it, we are adding. So the sum of P and 4 gives 15. Considering one more examples. M minus 7 equals to 30. M minus 7 equals to 30. How we will form? Now here we can see that 7 is subtracted from 8. 7 is subtracted from M, isn't it? 7 is subtracted from M. So how can I write the statement for this? When 7 is subtracted from M, the result is 13. The result is 13. So the statement here will be when 7 is subtracted from M. When 7 is subtracted from M, the result is 13. Now we can check it. Very simple. When 7 is subtracted from M minus 7, the result is 13. This is the way we do it. Previously, statement was given and you will forming the equations. Now, equation is given, you will form the statement. And in both the cases, you can cross-check the statement and equations. Second, third, 2m equals to 7. 2m equals to 7. Now, if you see this 2m is what? The product of 2 and m. The product of 2 and m is 2m. And the result here is 7. So, how will I write? The product of 2 and m results 7. Or, when 2 is multiplied to m, it gives 7. Anyway, we can write it. So, I can write the product of 2 and m gives you 7. The product of 2 and m gives you 7, isn't it? 2 and freehand m. When divided by 5 results 6. Results 6. Cross check it. The product of 3 and m is 3m. Very simple. And 3 into m, 3m is divided by 5. That is 3m by 5. And the result here is 6. And the result here is 6. Now next, p upon 2 minus 3 equals to 6. P upon 2 minus 3 equals to 6. Now p upon 2 means p is divided by 2 or half of p minus 3 means 3 is subtracted from p upon 2 and the result here is 6. So how will I write? When 3 is subtracted from, here 3 is subtracted from p upon 2. When 3 is subtracted from half of p, half of p means half of p, p upon 2. Keep it in mind. Half of p, of means operator multiplication. 1 into p will give you p. So how will I write? When 3 is subtracted from half of p, the result is 6. The result is 6. Check your answer. When 3 is subtracted from half of p, isn't it? 3 is here subtracted from half of p means p upon 2. Half means 1 by 2. The result is 6. So with this, what we understood? To form the statements with the equations. So students, what we learned now? We learned 3 things. First, what is an equation? For forming an equation, we need 2 things. At least one variable should be there. Variable can be any English alphabet. Second, an equal to sign is there. Second, what we learned? Forming equations. So to form equations, we need to break the statements as times means multiplication, sum means plus, product means multiplication gives you is, here we decode it as equal to. And to third, what we learn? To form the statements. And in all the cases, we can cross check the statement and the equation what we have formed. So with this, I am ending up today's session. The assignment regarding this lecture has been uploaded in the ERP. Kindly download it and solve it. Thank you.